Right. Good afternoon, grade 7. Um, this is for your computer 7, right? For your computer 7, I will just give you a brief review of your second periodical test. Your second periodical test covers um, from Module 1 and Module 2. Module 1, which is Exploring and Maintaining Computer, and Module 2 is Getting Started with MS Word. Okay. As a review, we already discussed all of these, even the tools used in Windows 10 and the tools used in MS Word, right? What I want you to do now, since I have only 3 attempts here, only 3 students actually submitted their activity number 2, which is identifying terminologies. Remember that we just meet once a week, right? We only just meet once a week, and this really matters. So we wait for others. Nicole is still connecting. Wait, where's your other classmates? I have already 6 students here. Okay, let's wait for a while. Nicole is still connecting. Again, we only meet once a week, and your activities really matters. What I want you to do now is I want you to go to your LMS and do the activity number 2, which is identifying terminologies. These terminologies are actually found in your modules and even in our discussions, right? I want you to answer again activity number 2, identifying terminologies. Am I making that clear? Grade 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, your outputs really matter because you're connecting. I don't know if uh, she will be connected. Anyway, I will just inform also your other classmates in your GC. And please do inform your other classmates to do the activity, alright? Again, this is the last time that I will give you a chance for your computer 7. Nicole, are you still with us?
Yes.
Again, Nicole, we had just agreed that you need to do your activity number 2 today, identifying terminologies. Your exam covers again module 1, which is exploring and maintaining computer, and module 2, which is getting started with MS Word. Your second periodical test in computer 7, um, totals were about 60 points, with test 1 ident- identification, test 1A is identification, test 2A is defining tools, okay, test 2B is providing steps in performing computer functions. Again, test 1A is identification. Test 2A is defining given tools. Okay. Test 2B is providing steps in performing computer functions. Right? It's for a total of 60 points all in all. Again, I'll be ending this Zoom meeting in order for you to continue doing your activity, right? If you have questions, you can ask anytime in our GC. Questions so far? Clarifications? Grade 7?
None.
Okay. Again, thank you for your time. Good luck for your exam. Have a nice day, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, Sabine.